From the abstract factory UML class diagram, you can clearly see that an abstract factory is a factory of factories. Here we have two factory classes, namely the XML DAO factory, which knows how to create the XML DAOs, and the DB DAO factory, which knows how to create the database DAOs. And they both implement a DAO factory interface. Here, the abstract factory or factories of factories is the DAO maker class. It knows how to create a particular factory depending on the client's request. So when a client class wants to use a XML DAO, it will ask the DAO maker to give it a XML DAO factory. And then using the XML DAO factory, it will create the appropriate client class. It could be XML employee DAO, or it could be XML department DAO. So abstract factory is a factory of factories. First, we identify the different types of classes in our application. We will separate them out so that they can have their own factories and their creation can be abstracted or hidden. And then we will create a factory of factories class, which knows how to create different types of factories for us, and then we will use it throughout our application.